everyone. Welcome to the Ria Miracles. And if you are following my podcast, then welcome to my podcast. And if you are following my YouTube channel, then welcome to this YouTube channel. And if you didn't follow me on Instagram, then please go there, check out my Instagram page at the Ria Miracles, and please follow this page because I'm always active on this Instagram application, and I always try to answer within 24 hours. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes which you are making in your life, and interesting thing is that you didn't even know that. Yes, you didn't know that you are making mistakes. So in this whole video I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes. So let's dive into it. Hey guys, so number one mistake is not making improvements. Yes, you always heard about it. Maybe you are a good book reader, or maybe you listen some famous leaders and speakers, and they always talk about self-improvement. But in this video and in this clip, I'm going to talk about in a very different way what is self-improvement, especially for the youngsters like you. And if you are doing a job, then this video is going to be helpful for you, so please watch it till the end. So number one is making self-improvement, whether it's personal or professional. What I'm saying is, if you are thinking about personal development, then actually I want to say that improving your self-confidence, improving your communication skills is very important in this tech world. Otherwise you will be lost. Yes, it's very important. Even English is the language which is acceptable all over the world. So please, if you don't know English, if you don't know much about this language, then please try to attend some classes, whether online, offline, whatever you want to do, just do it, because improving yourself is even I want to include one quote here. This is a quote, and what I'm saying is, please do not judge yourself on daily basis, right? Judge yourself yearly or monthly, because after a month you can easily analyze what type of things you have done, right? So do not over judge yourself on daily basis, otherwise you will lose your self motivation, self confidence. So please do not do this. You have to love yourself. Okay, so this is the number one thing. And second is personal, not second, but it is a sub part of my first point, and making improvement in your professional career. Okay, if you are doing a job, and or if you are a student in a college, whatever you are studying, it doesn't matter, you have to improve your professional skills. What I'm going to say is, like, in this 2020 period, digital technology is at the top. So if you try your hand in this things, and if you like it, like making Instagram post, and how to do affiliate marketing, these kind of things, because this is the things which are really in demand in the market. So you have to judge it, and you have to mold yourself according to the demands of the market. Then you will secure your job, and you will be happy, and even you can earn fast bucks through this. So it's important. Okay, so please do not. Okay, so my second point is not getting up early. Yes, in my every video I'm going to talk about this, because morning risers is the one who can extend their day, and they can do more activities. So it's important. You have to wake up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., whatever time you think suits to you. So please, getting up early is important. But now I know that there are a lot of people who going to a Google and going to YouTube, and they will search how to wake up at 5 a.m., how to wake up at 6 a.m. Please stop this searching. What you have to do is find the things which you love. Yes, if you love the things, for example, you are getting up from your bed at 7 a.m., and the things which you really love to do it, right? After brushing and after getting fresh, you have to firstly start with that things. You will see a different person in yourself. Okay, please do this for a 1 day, 2 day. There is always one saying that 21 days is helps you to make a routine, to make a habit, then do this activity for 21 days. Yes, you have to. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to be, in the list of leaders, successful person, then you have to do. I know that. I know. I'm not too much famous person. I am just like you, but this is the knowledge which I have gained when I spending time alone, when I got failures, when I reading books. So I'm just sharing these. Okay, I'm just sharing these. I love sharing. So that's why I'm making these videos and Instagram posts and etc. So this is very important, getting up early. Otherwise you will lose your chance to become a good leader and to become the person who can inspire the other ones. Okay, so now I'm going to jump into our third mistakes which you are making, or maybe I'm also making. Okay, this mistake is becoming so rigid. This is very important. Actually, I learned this now. Becoming very rigid. What I'm going to say, that we always kill our desires, expectations. Do you know? Having a restriction and having a strict behavior on yourself is good, but to some extent. If I say a discipline is important, but becoming rigid is very different kind of thing. Let me explain to you. For example, you want to become an actor, right? And when you got any kind of opportunity to become a model, right? If you get a chance to do some kind of modeling, whether it's at the low scale, we have make a plan that I want to be an actor, so I do not get this opportunity. I do not want to be in the modeling sector because this happens, blah blah blah. Even you can, most of us will say, I am totally wasting my energy if I do this, because my dream is to become an actor. But now what I am going to say is, you are wasting your time. Seriously, you have to mold yourself. You have to be flexible, so you can fit in the environment. Your adaptation is the most important thing. If you want to be a good speaker, then start doing speaking at the college level, school level. Okay, so you have to be flexible. I hope you get my point. Even I want to include one more example. Suppose if you want to change your dressing style, and girls change to their makeup style, then do it. Who are stopping to you? Do you know you are the one who are stopping to yourself? You always make illusions, like if I do this, someone will say this, someone will say this. Why we are thinking about these people? If you love to do, then do it. That's it. Simple. Please listen to me, otherwise you are going to regret in your life. And regret is the most poisonous killing element which definitely killed you. Do not do this with yourself. Do not do this. Okay, so now I'm going to jump into our fourth mistake which we are making. So what it is? To read the books. Why I'm saying? Because I'm also getting this knowledge now. I have wasted my 4 to 5 years because I am not a good reader. I always get bored with the books. If you want to make one video related to books which you have to read at the early stage, then I will definitely make one more video on that, because from that 3 books I have started my journey to read more and more, explore yourself in a different ways. I'm not talking about any kind of romantic novels, thrillers, I'm just talking about the books which can help you in your self-improvement. So do this. Reading books is one of the best hobby which can gives you push. I'm not saying that it will spell any kind of miracles on you, but yes, with the time when you get to know more about the knowledge, about the more in-depth knowledge about the books, why this line written by the author, then your perspective get changed, your attitude toward the things get changed. You will definitely, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली. आपको नहीं पता लगेगा कि आप में क्या चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, बट जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आपको जज करना होगा ईयरली और मंथली बेसिस. एनी सेकेंड पर्सन, एनी थर्ड पर्सन कैन ईजिली जज इट, right? Okay, what kind of improvements you have now. So please do this, and always write a diary. Purchase any one diary and write the thoughts when you are sad, write the thoughts when you are extremely happy, write anything. Writing is one of the best way to reduce your anxiety, tension, whatever it is. Writing definitely helps to you, believe me, definitely helps to you. So my last point is commitment. Yes, what is this? You have to promise with yourself that if you want to reduce your body weight, fine, then do this. Okay, you have to start action now. Let me tell you one thing. If you change your idea, your aim only for 2 days or 1 week, you are failed. You are not going to do this. So if you really want to do any of the things, right, which are in your bucket, then do it now. Making a small action toward it, then you will definitely get that thing. Otherwise you will lose, you will fail, you are not going to do this, you will procrastinate, you will definitely making excuses, etc. So please, if you really want to reduce your weight, start it now. Start from today. When you are watching this video, start running, start brisk walking, whatever it is. Okay, stop searching on the Google. So now this is the 5 mistakes which I want to share with all of you, and please tell me what is your mistake in your life till 25, 35, whatever your age is. Please mention your mistake in the comment section below. We will definitely discuss it, and even we can learn from each other. This is the very important trait, and if you didn't follow my Instagram page, then please go there at the rate the Real Medicals. Here it is. So please follow me there. I am always active on that page. So thanks for watching this video, audio, whatever you are, if you are listening, then thanks to listening my podcast, and if you are watching, thanks to YouTube. And if you are watching this on Instagram or watching any reels, then thank you to watch this.